Hey guys, Dr. House here, do another quick unboxing. Today I'll be unboxing the Belkin Mixit audio cable in the color black. So let's go ahead and get started. It says for mobile devices, 0.9 meters, which is 3 feet. Flat, tangle-free design. So here's the front, the side. On the back gives you a little sneak peek of what it is. It says mix up with chargers, cables, audio, and power accessories that come in a full line of high-tech hues. There's pink, brown, blue, green, and purple. I'm pretty sure I got the generic black one. Yep, right there. But let's go ahead and open this up. Pretty nice, these flat cables. They don't really tangle as much. They still tangle. They're not tangle free, as they say. But let's go ahead and take this out here. Put it off to the side. As you see, we get the cable is wrapped through the back, so it's gonna be a pain to get out, but let's go ahead and pop these out right here. These go through the back, come out in front, and this is the Mixit cable. You can see the cable is flat. On the front it says Belkin, I don't have it upside down. They are not gold-plated connectors, but that's okay. The other side. It's 3 feet. I'm not going to unravel it right yet, but yeah, it's a nice audio cable, guys. If you guys want to check it out, you can go ahead and go to Belkin's website and look for this, or you can get it at your local Target, Walmart, any kind of store that has audio cables or phone chargers and stuff. But yeah, guys, that's about it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.